Vande Mataram dosto. I hope you and your family are safe. From the beginning of 2020, the whole world is facing crisis over the Chinese virus and its global outspread because we do not have any vaccine to cure this disease yet. फिर मिड जून में बाबा रामदेव और पतंजलि की तरफ से एक स्टेटमेंट जारी करा गया that they have tested Coronil and Ayurvedic medicine in Haridwar on 100 COVID positive patients and they started recovering from it. And then all the left-wing media started insulting Patanjali and Ayurveda. Although Patanjali already told that it is not a cure but an immune system booster, as coronavirus attacks the immune system first. Later, Coronil was passed by the Ministry of Ayush and is now available in the market. But what actually is Ayurveda? Okay, so firstly, people think that Ayurveda is something Baba Ramdev invented. Well, sorry to hurt your feelings as he is just a promoter. Actually, Ayurveda is more than 5,000 years old with its mention in Vedas and Ramayana, where Lakshman is given Sanjeevani brought by Hanuman from Himalayas. Now coming to the main question, can Ayurveda cure such viruses? Ayurveda treatment is not just taking medicines, but it is an internal purification process followed by special diet, herbal remedies, yoga, massage and meditation, as it takes time and does not guarantee sure short cures. In earlier times, it was the only method available to cure somebody who was ill or got injured during the wars, but in modern times, it actually helped to cure one of the largest global pandemics. In 1950, there were more than 300 million malaria cases globally and 75 million cases were in Bharat. And for a comparison, there are only 18 million corona cases globally. Ayurveda has proven herbs to treat malaria and has a 77% success ratio with no side effects. But if it is so old and reliable, why don't we use them today? 90% of Indians prefer allopathy over Ayurveda, be it regular illness or chronic diseases like cancer. People tend to pay more out of their pockets for a reliable and a quick treatment, as allopathy research and the clinical trials are the major part of the modern medical system. Can you believe there are only 240 colleges which provides bachelors in Ayurveda in a comparison with 3,400 engineering colleges in Bharat? After a 5.5 years of bachelors and a 2 years of masters, they are offered a salary of only 5 to 7 lakhs annually. Then why would someone invest so much time in this? Well, things are changing already. The rising popularity and the realization of the benefits coming from natural elements are shifting the developed countries towards Ayurveda. After the inauguration of the Ministry of Ayush by Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, a budget of 1900 crore rupees has been allotted to the development of research centers. Training the professionals performing clinical trials on the new medicines has begun. All the medical groups throughout the world are working together to develop a vaccine that can cure this Chinese virus. But in the meantime, we should be proud of this ancient medical system which emerged in Bharat and should not make the fun of the Bharatiya companies like Patanjali and Dabur, as they are the only one which are finding the cure from the roots of Ayurveda. हम ऐसे ही 108 episodes different topics पर बनाएंगे about why you should be a proud Hindu. And if you want to be a part of this initiative, do subscribe to our YouTube channel and share this with your friends. See you guys in next episode. Vande Mataram.